Assalamu alaikum. In the name of God, the most merciful, the most beneficent. At first, take my heartiest felicitation from the core of my heart. I hope that you all are safe and sound. Alhamdulillah, I am fit as a fiddle by the grace of Almighty Creator. My dear viewers, do you want to learn English? Do you want to speak in English? Then you are in the right place. I will teach you how to speak in English. Once you learn English, once you communicate in English with others, all the doors, all the windows of the world will open to you. And then, instead of buying a local t-shirt, instead of buying a local jacket like me, you will buy a brand t-shirt, brand jacket. Instead of buying a local mobile phone, you will buy an iPhone. So let me know in the comment box, which one do you prefer, an iPhone or a local mobile? I hope you got my point. And then nowadays people ask me that, brother, is it very difficult for us to learn English, to speak in English? And I tell them, brother, this is not like hard task. It is very easy. It is very easy for everyone to learn English. It is very easy to everyone to speak in English. Once someone asked me that, brother, I know all the grammatical rules. I know I use number of vocabularies, but when I come to speak English, my mind just goes blank. What should I do? And at the very beginning of my speaking journey, I already learned so many grammatical rules. But when I comes to speak English, I can't use those grammatical rules that I have already learned. So what should I do? Now I want to ask you a question, which is, do you know all the grammatical rules of Bangla language? I think your answer is no. Even though I don't know all the grammatical rules of Bangla language, but I can speak Bangla very well because this is our mother tongue. So if you are a beginner, if you want to learn English, you don't need to learn all the grammatical rules of English language. This is not a good way. Instead of focusing English grammar, you can focus on your regular practice. Practice makes a man perfect. If you practice in your regular basis like me, then you will be able to speak English. As you can see that right now I am in a public place, and this is a river beside me, the river called Shitolokka River, and behind me Bangladesh Institute of Marine Technology. And now I can speak English. Now I can speak English without feeling any shy, without feeling any hesitant. And so many people are walking here and there. They are also looking at me, but I don't afraid it. It doesn't matter to me that people are watching me or not. I have to make video. I have to speak in English. If you want to remove your shyness, you have to go outside from your home. Then you will make videos so that you can remove your shyness.